As citizens of the United States, we commonly refer to our country as the USA, and oftentimes to ourselves as Americans. For many, the words come naturally. We are Americans in the United States of America. Yet this commonplace phrase conceals a fascinating history, shaped by discovery, chronology, and evolving influence. America originated more than 2 centuries prior to the United States. In the 1500s, European cartographers named the Western Hemisphere after the explorer Amerigo Vespucci, whose descriptions persuaded Europe that this was a new world, distinct from Asia. Thereafter, maps designated the region as America, at times as a single entity, at others as plural. By the late 1700s, as the 13 colonies declared independence, they required a name that conveyed both unity and geography. United States captured the political framework, a federation of states. Of America specified the location. There was scant controversy at the time. The United States was the sole independent nation in the Americas. Canada remained under British control, and Latin America was still governed by Spain and Portugal. In that era, the divisions between North and South America were not sharply defined. America served as a practical and recognizable term in English, providing diplomatic precision. Thus, it was adopted, inscribed in foundational texts, such as the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Disquiet over the name arose in the 1800s, as nations in Central and South America achieved independence. They too were American countries, sharing geography, history, and culture. However, as the United States expanded in power, English speakers increasingly appropriated America to refer to the U.S. In much of Latin America today, this distinction holds significance. In Spanish and Portuguese, America typically encompasses the entire continent, or continents, rather than one nation. Many there opt for estadounidense over americano when denoting U.S. citizens. Although official designations are generally accepted, some perceive the monopolization of America as an assertion of cultural supremacy, not merely a geographical label. Language proves resilient. Awkward alternatives such as United Station failed to take hold. North American specifically encompasses Canada and Mexico, yet at times in discourse or within the nomenclature of the United Nations may seem to exclude Mexico and others. Notably, Greenland is geographically part of North America, as are Central America and the Caribbean islands, which together broaden our view of this diverse region. Ultimately, the meaning of America is a function of context. Forged from necessity in a developing era, the name encourages us to consider the broader hemisphere it references, rich with diverse peoples, narratives, and interpretations of what it means to belong to the Americas or to be American. In closing, the United States of America reminds us that who we are, where we come from, and how we connect with others throughout the entire hemisphere and beyond matters. In the meantime, stay safe, keep striping, and we'll see you on the next edition of Mighty Line Minute.